Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a DAG style spoiler on the Mini Cooper here. It's going to be our first mod. We picked this up here a couple months ago and we decided the spoiler was needed. So we'll go through the process on installing that here, so stick with us. Alright guys, so here is the spoiler we picked up. We actually got this off of eBay. We'll have a couple affiliate links where you can buy that from eBay and Amazon in case you prefer one or the other. But it's around 350 bucks for this, and that's including shipping. But this piece right up here up top does not come painted to the color that you need, so you will have to have that painted. So this was black when we got it, just fiberglass color, and so that was painted. We did that to match our top on the Mini Cooper here. So that is the spoiler that we're going to install. There's a few things we have to take off here, and underneath the hatch is where we'll start. So let's show you the underneath side here. This is where the mounting, after we take off the existing spoiler, it's going to mount through these holes. It's already threaded. It did come with extra bolts for us, so that was nice. The thing that was a pain was getting this carbon fiber piece disconnected for painting. So that was kind of a pain because you can't really get your hands in there easily, but at least there was only 3 bolts holding it on. But that's kind of what it looks like on the underneath side. Alright guys, so we've got our 8mm here. This is 3/8 for our new bolts, and this is just a little plastic tool to try and get those grommets out. We'll show you here in a minute. And I actually have a impact gun here with a T25 on it. It's actually got a little magnetism to it, so hopefully we don't need this tool, which is a magnet, in case we lose any of the bolts. But not a whole lot of tools, but that's what we're starting off with. Alright, so these are the little plastic clips that have to come off because there's the 8mm bolts under there. So let's see if we can get that removed. Oh, you can see right there that the little plastic tabs are coming up, just like that. And then you can see the bolt. So we'll do that on the other side. Just like that, not too bad at all. Do the other side. You can probably get it with your hand. Alright, just get this little plastic trim tool so we can pop those tools off. You can probably do this without this tool if you don't have it, but I have it, so it makes it a little bit easier. The last one's gonna be a pain. There we go, got it. So now, if you can see up in there, we'll try and get the light there. You can see those T25 bits up in there, so we're gonna use the impact and get all those out real quick. Yep, see? That first one went right down in there, even though this is magnetized, so we're probably going to have to put our magnet to work. We got that one out. Well, we got one so far out of there. Two. gotta fish out 2 of those things. Oh, dang, it came in handy. Oh, was it this one? Nope, must have been this. Yep, I can feel it in there. Boom. Alright, so we just gotta grab in these corners and pull out. It can be kind of hard. I think there's some clips or something in there. I think these, oh yeah, right here, kind of keep it in there, even though you got all the bolts out. So, all right, we got it. We got the old one off. Now we shall install the new one. See how that. We got our last bolt in here. We just got to tighten her down, and we'll go through these, make sure they're all tight. So this did not go well, guys. We had to take a break and actually do some trimming on this fiberglass. It did not fit properly because there's too much fiberglass in the mold, so it wasn't lining up here, and none of the holes would line up, so it was kind of a pain. So beware if you get this fiberglass one with the carbon fiber wing part, that the holes may not line up and you may need to do some customization. So probably better to test fit it before you take it to paint, unlike what we did. Had to hack it up after the fact, but we got all those tightened down. We'll pop these guys back in and we'll show you the finished product here. Alright guys, here's the finished product. The carbon fiber looks really nice. The issue was with this fiberglass piece, did not fit well. We ended up having to trim some back because it was getting caught up here along the glass, and it wouldn't go forward anymore, so there was a big gap there and the holes would not line up. So that was kind of disappointing. So be aware if you go with this fiberglass slash carbon fiber piece, it may not line up the way you expect. We should have test fitted it first, which everybody says to do, but we didn't. We painted it and then put it on, so that's my fault. We'll know for next time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like I said, I'll have links in the description to this on eBay and on Amazon with my affiliate links if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Have a good one.